Okay. Ako ka ba nagtatago? Ayun. Tour.
Trabaho.
It's raining, man.
It's raining and a lot of work today, man. And actually tomorrow we have a tour in Japan. You're going to join with us? Okay. Come on, let's join.
You can do it, man. You're having a tour in the house of Joe.
So, what do you think of me?
What do you think of me? Thinking of you?
Thinking of you? Okay, subidya mo daw po.
Oh, bene. Yun ang bahay.
Ito mo yung YouTube banatan? Buya malag?
Yun. Ito, tour di balay.
Ito.
Pinaglawad di balay yung kanadang. Di ba, Ben?
Hindi ko. Basta sa video ka ba ta?
Nakita ko.
Ito. Ayun na.
Relax. Kalma ka lang. Oh.
Hello guys, we are here to... Apa yung nagawit na pantan?
Yes. We're here to give you a tour of our house.
Of our house. Ito po ang ginagawa natin
So,
sa araw-araw.
Mr. Joe, what are you doing?
So, I'm doing packing the roba. Ito ang ginagawa namin araw-araw, May. Nag-aayos ng kabisya na amo. Prima di Pranzo.
Anong pangalan ng asawa mo? Faith? Salawakan ka, Joel.
Oh, kasama na yan.
Salawakan ka, Joel. Aminin mo na. Amok na rumam. Kilala ko yung mukha mo, mga mukhang ganyan, di pinagkakatiwalaan. Kumustahin mo yung asawa mo? Kumusta ka na, Faith?
Nagblablas na ako eh. Itong Kevin kasi na to. It's very difficult, man, this day. We have a lot of work. You have
Okay.
to close that video now.
And we are going now. Bye.
Yeah.